My name is Karina Cardoso Molina. I am from In the Morning Shift.
Hi, my name is Jaime Alessandro Gonzalez. I am from In the Morning Shift.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Camacho Flores. I am from The Morning Shift.
Hi everyone, what are you doing?
I'm checking Instagram. It was a photo in morning.
Oh, what photo do you post?
A photo of my breakfast. Pancakes as Arab beans.
Yeah, I love pancakes. I wear chicken now. Oh yes, I see it, I like it.
I don't use Instagram much. I use TikTok more. I like funny videos.
Me too. We watch TikTok every night. Some videos are so funny.
I follow a girl who dances very well. She teaches ace dance movies.
I don't dance to like football videos. If I players on Facebook.
Facebook, I think, is more for parents. My mom uses Facebook every day.
I use WhatsApp the most. I type with my family too.
Sam here. We hate a family group. We send photos and jokes.
I use WhatsApp for school. Our teacher sends homework there.
Social media and phone books sometimes. It speaks too much time out.
Me too. One day, I was on my phone for 5 hours.
Wow, that's a loss. Do you think a break?
No, I don't. I turn off my phone at 9 p.m.
That's a good idea. I want to try that too.
Sometimes people are not nice on us. Last week, sometimes wrote a mean comment on my post.
That's terrible. What do you do?
If loves person, it follows me mom.
Good. We must stay safe online.
Yes, and we must be a key to social media who make people happy.
I agree. Let's only share good things, photo, music, and ideas.
I hope don't forget.
Okay, break. It's almost over. Good way. Group photo.
Yes, let's post in an Instagram.
Soy kiss.
Cheese.
I will post this and tag you out.
Great. Let's check the likes after click.